Hi. Welcome to PlayOwnAI. We'll build Veo 3's text-to-video magic. That AI-powered. Build creative animations and cinematic videos with Veo 3's text-to-video magic tutorial. Today we're diving into something exciting. Veo 3 with native audio. Now available in the Gemini API. Imagine creating high-fidelity 720p videos with dialogue, sound effects and cinematic realism in just 8 seconds. Yes, you heard. Ready to build? Read the documentation. Explore all parameters. Learn advanced prompting techniques. And discover more examples. Just click the button below to get started with Veo 3, the latest video generation model from Gemini. Start building. Access Veo 3. Or you can visit directly at i.google.dev. That right. Let's build some magic together. Hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Google AI Studio just dropped a game changer. Veo 3 lets you generate videos from a text prompt, an initial image, or both. Perfect for animations, cinematic scenes, or even tutorials like this one. It supports multiple languages, ambient noise and sound effects all natively built in. And the best part? It's in paid preview on the Gemini API, ready for you to explore with SDKs for Python, JavaScript, Go, or even curl. First, let's set up. Head to Google AI VS Code Workspace. Run the following commands to create the folder structure. Bash mkdir Gemini cd Gemini mkdir Gemini. Open the Gemini folder in VS Code. You can do this by running code from the Gemini directory in your terminal, or by going to File, Open Folder, and selecting the Gemini folder. Add Gemini to your workspace. With the folder open, go to File, Save Workspace As, and save the workspace file in the Gemini folder. This will add the Gemini folder as the root of your workspace. Create the files in the VS Code File Explorer. The left side, on the following command to Gemini root directory. #create virtual environment. In this directory, self-contained, that contains a Python interpreter and all the libraries and scripts install, isolated from other Python projects. Python 3m venv. Hashtag activating the virtual environment * on macOS and Linux. Source venv bin activate. Right-click inside the Gemini folder and select New File. To create the files, genv do txt, ipynb. In terminal, run. Click the plus markdown button. This will create a new markdown cell. Inside this new cell, type a title using the hashtag symbol. Like #generate videos with Veo 3 in Gemini API. Clicking plus code will open a code cell where we can write or Python code. Pass to code section of genv do txt, ipynb. Create video folder. Their video will be generated. In script, add video path to save video location. Clicking run or execute, it will show API error. Let's add API key. Client equals Gemini, client. API_key equals AIZ. Clicking run or execute, it will show API error. Now it will executed and generated video. Creative animation. Drone shot following a classic red convertible driven by a man along Disable the pourvoy code and add code add prompt. Drone shot following a classic red convertible driven by a man along a winding coastal road at sunset. Waves crashing against in the realm of artificial wonder. A new form of life takes flight. With a single frame, a story unfolds. The static gives way to motion. And a world once captured in an instant now breathes with life. From a digital canvas to a living, breathing scene. This is the genesis of a vision, where a moment becomes a journey. The audio and motion are spot on. Quote, want to tweak it? Adjust the image and prompt for different styles. Cartoon, realism, or sci-fi? For Veo 3, add sound effects like wind or engine roars. The docs have more examples. Check the link below. You can also use JavaScript or Go if preferred. Pro tip: use detailed prompts for imagen. Vibrant colors, sharp details. For Veo 3, specify audio cues like excited voice or ambient noise. Monitor API costs and start with short tests. That's it for this tutorial. You've just created a video from an image with Veo 3's support line. Get assist. Stuck anywhere or feeling overwhelmed? No worries. You can download the full workflow directly from my GitHub. GitHub, Matanikt, Poai Olama, Lang Chain. Just follow the link in the description. For more tutorials and smart automation tips, visit my YouTube channel at PlayOwnAI. Still need help? Feel free to drop a comment below. I personally reply and I'm happy to assist. Thanks for watching. If you found even a bit of value, please subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss my next AI automation guide. Your feedback helps me create the most useful content possible. So, what's on your mind? Tell me what you're struggling with in comments. I might just build a full tutorial on it for you. We release new videos every week. Let's build smarter together with PlayOwnAI Playground.